5 ideas for your next YouTube video. Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll explore 5 exciting ideas for your next YouTube video. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned content creator, these ideas will inspire you to create engaging and captivating videos that will keep your viewers coming back for more. So, let's dive right in. Idea 1. Travel and adventure. Travel and adventure videos never fail to capture people's imaginations. Consider creating videos showcasing exciting destinations and experiences. For example, unforgettable road trips. Explore the stunning coastal highways of California or take an epic cross-country journey through breathtaking landscapes. Idea 2. DIY and crafting. DIY and crafting videos are incredibly popular on YouTube, offering viewers inspiration and step-by-step instructions. Check out this idea: upcycling old furniture. Show your viewers how to transform old furniture into beautiful, stylish pieces with simple DIY techniques. Idea 3. Technology and gadgets. Technology-related content is always in demand. Consider creating videos that showcase the latest gadgets and tech tips. Here's an idea: Top 10 must-have smartphone accessories. Explore innovative accessories that enhance the functionality and convenience of smartphones. Idea 4. Health and fitness. Health and fitness content appeals to a wide audience, as people are increasingly conscious of their well-being. Consider this idea: home workout routines. Share effective and fun workouts that can be done from the comfort of your own home, with minimal equipment. Idea 5. Educational and informative. YouTube is a fantastic platform for learning and gaining knowledge. Consider creating educational and informative videos. Check out this idea: Beginner's Guide to Subject Choice. Introduce viewers to a topic you're passionate about and offer a beginner's guide or tutorial. And there you have it, our 5 ideas for your next YouTube video. Whether you choose to embark on a travel adventure, get creative with DIY projects, explore the latest technology, focus on health and fitness, or educate and inform your audience, remember to be passionate and authentic in your content. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy creating!